Hello, folks. Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're now embarking on a grand circle tour with stops at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland, followed by a visit to the Grand Canyon and Primeval World. We got a lot of traveling ahead of us. On our way, see if you can find 2 hidden Easter eggs. The first is in the Grand Canyon scene, where some people say you can see an armadillo up close to the glass. The second Easter egg is a hidden Yoda at the base of the waterfall in the Primeval World scene. Have you seen either one? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, it would be fantastic to see you strike that like. Thank you so much.
This is Main Street Station.
Alright, we're all aboard. Everybody please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. Supervise children, make sure they're seated and away from the opening. Our next stop, New Orleans Square.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the Primeval World, the age of the dinosaurs, before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead is New Orleans Square Station. This station also serves Frontierland and Critter Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Then watch your step as you're getting on. For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our journey in just a moment. This is New Orleans Square Station. New Orleans Square.
Welcome to New Orleans Square. Please remain seated until the train comes to a full stop. This is your stop for Critter Country, Adventureland, Frontierland, New Orleans Square, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
Just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños.
We're now entering Splash Mountain, rumored to be the location of the one and only Laughing Place. If you look real hard, you just might find it. It's where the critters are celebrating a zippity-doo-dah day. As we steam past Hungry Bear Restaurant, past Outpost Disney Parks, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can Wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams, and the stories that went with them, were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable, like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness. Characters and stories. If you're leaving us here, please wait until the train comes to a full stop. Remember your personal belongings, then step carefully from the train. Have fun, and say hi to Mickey and Minnie Fly. For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is Toontown Depot, Mickey's Toontown.
Anyway, we are leaving Toontown Station and headed to Tomorrowland. Please keep your hands, arms, and feet and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And let's keep the little ones seated away from the openings of the train. Thank you.
Hello, everyone.
Folks, can we keep everybody seated right now?
Ride, remember to stay seated with your...
Folks, we need everybody seated right now. Everybody seated right now. Thank you.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain. Now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere. gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail and us are the fun-filled roadways of the Autobahn. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop.
But we are approaching Tomorrowland Station. Please remember to keep your hands and feet legs inside the vehicle at all times. Please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. Thank you. Inside the vehicle at all times. Stay seated, please. And let's keep the little ones seated or on the lap as well. Thank you.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado, mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time. Way back in time. To the fantastic time of the land of the dinosaurs. We're now returning to our own time and to Main Street.
Folks, we are arriving at Main Street Station. Please remember to stay seated, please, and do not disembark until the trains come to a full and complete stop. If you've got a stroller or wheelchair on board, please be reminded that there are no ramps over stairs. Thank you.
Travels with us, and that you'll come back to ride with us again real soon. For those of you staying with us, we'll be on our way again in just a few minutes.